I let go of beliefs that limit my success. I only allow positive and supportive beliefs to exist in my mind. My mind is fertile ground for beliefs that increase the likelihood of success. Positive thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes grow and evolve within me. It is 100% natural for me to believe in myself and my abilities. My mind automatically rejects limiting beliefs. They are toxic and unnatural for me. I easily release all negative beliefs and attitudes from my thoughts. Only supportive beliefs are allowed to exist in my life. Each day, my beliefs become more supportive of reaching my goals. Each day, I reject negative beliefs from my body, mind, and soul. As my beliefs become more limitless, my capabilities follow suit. With fewer limiting beliefs to overcome, I am becoming the best version of myself. I believe in my ability to be successful. My beliefs are in line with my goals and aspirations. My beliefs are making me unstoppable. My success is certain. Today, I welcome greater success into my current reality. I allow myself to let go of all the beliefs I hold that limit my success. I develop beliefs that support my success. I enhance my view of myself and of the world. Here are some self-reflection questions. What do I want to accomplish? What beliefs do I have that could be getting in my way? If I didn't have these beliefs, how would my actions and outcomes change? What beliefs would serve me better to make my success much more likely? Today, I'm going to go out and I'm going to have my best day yet.